Once there was a little kangaroo named Kara. Kara had a mama and papa-roo. She had sisters, 3 sisters, and she had 3 brothers. She lived with this big, wonderful kangaroo family. Her sisters were on the Hoplites. They practiced every day for their Hoplite team. Her brothers were on the cross-country hoppers. And her parents were on an adult hopping team. But little Kara, she was too small to be on any hopping team. All she could do was little baby hops, and sometimes it felt like she was a little out of place. Sometimes little Kara would go hopping along into the woods by herself to talk to her friend, Mr. Hoot Owl.
Ooh, hello, Kara. How are you?
Oh, I'm so sad. Everybody in my family can hop except for me, Mr. Hoot Owl.
Well, don't worry, Kara. Your maker made you special the way you are. Everybody has a gift. It will show up sooner or later.
Oh, I don't know, Mr. Hoot Owl. It seems like everybody's gift is hopping, except for me.
No worries. There's bound to be something special just you can do. Just give yourself some time, Kara.
Oh, okay.
Now you better hurry home. It's getting late.
All right. Goodbye, Mr. Hoot Owl, and thank you.
You're welcome. Hoo-hoo!
So Kara hopped along on her way home. Help! Help! Kara heard someone screaming for help. Help! Help! Oh boy, can you help my sister? I don't know what to do. I can't fit into that hole, and I just need to help her. She fell into that tree hole. But you're small. Maybe you could hop in there. Oh yeah, I can try to hop in there. Don't worry, I'm coming. Kara got into the little hole. Help, help, it's okay, I'm in here. I will rescue you. Kara was back there trying to keep the little kangaroo calm. Don't worry, I've got you. Oh, but I'm so scared. I've got you, it's okay. Big Brother was standing guard. Soon, little Kara and the new little kangaroo came out of the hole together. Ah, we did it! Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome. Here's your little sister back. And be careful. Don't let her get into any holes.
Oh, I won't. And would you like for me to escort you home?
Oh, sure. And the 3 of them hopped in the same direction, so little Kara didn't have to go home by herself. Soon, Kara was home.
Oh, hi there. I just want you all to know that Kara rescued my little sister. She was amazing today.
Kara's parents were so proud of her. Oh, good job, Kara.
Way to go, Kara.
Her family was so excited. They said goodbye to their new friends. Goodbye. And everybody cheered for Kara. Hip, hip, hooray! Good job, Kara. Mr. Hoot Owl was right. Kara did do something special, and she was really excited about it. Yay!
And this is the letter K, but we say k, k, like kangaroo.
Hello, Ellie here. Okay, Okay, so just a reminder, we're going to go over the letter K. Here's a little K. See, halfway little. Here's a big K. Okay, I'm going to have my assistant do. So I'm going to have her do this letter, whether it's a big K or a little K. And you tell me. Are you ready? Set, go. There's our K for keys. Now, I'm going to give you 3 seconds and you tell me if it's a little K or a big K. If you guessed a little K, you're right. It's a little K for keys. Voila! Okay, so now we're going to write on our cover letter sheets. Okay, just a reminder, to make these, we fold them in half, fold the half in half, draw a thick line in the middle, and then thin lines for the other part, okay? Okay, for a little K, for a little kangaroo, they have shorter arms and legs, and so they only take up, the little arms and legs only take up one space at the bottom. And for the big K at the bottom is for a big kangaroo. And the big kangaroo has bigger arms and legs, and they take up 2 spaces. Okay, so let's get our markers ready. And we'll start at the top with a cherry. And we're going to go all the way down the slide. And then we start at the little cherry. And we go in and down. Okay, here we go. And then little cherry. Good. Another. Nice. Okay. Down the slide. Start the little cherry in and down. Okay, down the slide. This one doesn't have a cherries. And then little arms and little legs. Okay, that's the little kangaroo. And now for the big cup for the big kangaroo. Okay, start at the big cherry all the way down. Little cherry in and down for big arms and big legs. Okay, here we go. Okay, little cherry. Okay, start at the top. Little cherry. And the last one doesn't have any cherries for reminders, so you'll just do it without them. Okay, there you go. Good job. Voila. Okay, guys, we have a K. All right, there's my K. And you can hear it at the end of milk. Okay, give me the milk, please. There's some milk. All right, you drink it every morning, maybe. Some people are allergic to milk, so we can't always have milk. But listen to me say it, milk. At the very end, you can hear it, milk. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. All right, bye-bye. Hi, guys. Jerome here. How's it going? All right, so I got my little K, and it is for ketchup. Ketchup monster. All right, here we go. Ha-ha! There's our K for ketchup. Hey, you made a big mess. All right, bye, guys. Oh, hello there. Ellie here. I have my K for my lovely kite. Wee! K for kite. Wow. Woo! I'm flying it. Woo! K for kite. Hi, guys. Jerome here. How's it going? Excuse me. We're going to do some letter art. Yeah! All right. So, we've got our little cup. And you can see it. I made it really thick. we're gonna turn our cut into a character like this one, like a kangaroo hopping about, okay? So we'll put that right there and get out a dark marker. I'm just gonna use brown, but you can use whatever you want. Okay, my assistant's gonna help me, of course. Start at the top, go down, make a line first. And then you're gonna start over here and go in and down. Okay, you might wanna put a honey line over there. Okay, now put maybe a cherry dot right there, whatever, a little dot. Okay, and go down. Okay, good. And you're gonna start about there. Go in and down. There we go. There's our k. All right, now we're going to make a loop for the head. Yeah, it's getting exciting. Okay, and a little pointy nose. And a line. And 2 eyes. Okay, some whiskers. Good, and some big loops for ears, starting about right there. And another one. And then line. Okay, so there's the ears. Now we meet some little paws, so like a loop and a loop. Very happy music. Oh yeah, and some texture for like the toes. Good. Okay, and a loop for a foot and a loop for a foot. Right there. And some toes. Okay, and a tail. See, it's near the bottom. Loop around. And there's our kangaroo. All right, he hops toward the honey line. Tasty. Yeah, hop, hop, hop. Okay. Okay, it's time to review. All right, remember how I do this? I start off slow, and then we go faster and faster. Okay, so, assistant, you can point. Okay, so here we've got duh for dog, for hermit crab, for moose, and k for kangaroo. Yep, hop, hop, hop. Okay, here we go. Duh, k. Okay, faster. Duh, k. Faster. Duh, k. Okay, faster, and point to the boring ones. Duh, k. Faster. Duh, k. Jerome. Oh, yeah, Ellie? I'm trying to read. Okay, sorry. Gotta go. Bye, guys. Ooh, help. I've been on this kite for so long. Can somebody get me off of this thing? I'm still flying on my kite. K for kite. Help me. Oh, boy. Goodbye.